One rehab tool that I like to use with patients is a dowel. Now this can be a PVC pipe. I typically like to go for about 48 inches. It could also be a broomstick. It could also be a wooden dowel. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use a dowel in your rehab. The first way you can use a dowel in rehab is, say we have a frozen shoulder or we have a shoulder pain. So what Renee's going to do, she's going to use the dowel to passively stretch this. So this is a great tool to use if you're dealing with a lot of pain and you have limited range of motion. The dowel will assist you in going through those range of motions. So let's have you face that direction here. And this first stretch is, it's going to help you go into, we call this flexion. So what I want you to do is I want you to grab the end of the dowel, and I don't want you to like hold on tight onto that dowel. It's just going to be going along for the ride. She's going to use her right arm to actually do the motion. So go ahead and we're going to push into flexion and come back down and push in, and that is going to take the muscle component out of the painful shoulder, but still go through that range of motion. And you want to do 10 repetitions, and you can do it in several different planes. Let's have you show going out to the side now. So lateral raise. And again, if you have pain at certain range, I want you to go in that non-painful range. So maybe at that extra 10 degrees, that's where it's painful. So just stay in that 90-degree angle. And again, the right arm is doing all the work. The left arm is just going along for the ride. And that's one way you can use the dowel. The other way we can use a dowel is, say for our lower body, we can use it for a single leg deadlift. So what she's going to do is she's going to hold the dowel in her left arm, and what she's going to do is she's going to bring her left leg back in a straight motion, and she's going to drop her upper body down. And what this does is it stretches her right hamstring, but it gives her arm stability. It's just another way you can use the dowel to go through some rehab exercises for the hamstring or the lower body. So there are many ways you can use a dowel. Again, it could be a PVC pipe, it can be a broomstick, but those are ways that you can use it for your upper body and lower body. In each of the rehab protocols I have, you'll see if we're using the dowel, how to use it in that situation.